Hello, Mr. Kate again, and I'm going to cover the third assignment that we were covering today. And again, it's on the distant learning resource page. And this one's fairly simple. It's just like the previous assignment with the biology syllabus. You're going to go to your Google Classroom. You're going to find the assignment distant learning. Click on that, copy it by a right click, copy, and then you're going to come to this blank page. There'll be a blank page here. You'll right click, paste your copy that you had here, and it'll be in there. You may need to resize it, and to resize anything, you get the object that you're trying to resize, click on it, you get this box that's going around. Grab one of these handles on the corners and just pull it to whatever size you're looking for. Okay? If it's over too far to the left, go up here to Format Options, click on that, go down to Position, go over here with this number. Now, originally, I believe it comes in as 0.17, so it's really flush left, and it doesn't look as nice as if it was all centered. So the easiest way to do that is just hit this up arrow until it looks close to center, and then you're good. I mean, this may be a little bit to the left, but for all intents purposes, it's fine. Take a screenshot of this, upload it to your Google Classroom assignment again, and you're all done with this one. You don't have to basically do anything but put it in on page 4. One thing I did want to go over this again. I had several people asking me, how do I get in touch with my counselors? My PowerSchool's not working or whatever. You would go to this reference page, click on and or type out this address, and it will get you the counseling office that can help you with all that. If you need to see the Twitter account for Lancaster, it's over here. The district website is here, and of course the Lancaster website over here. So hopefully that helps. If not, as always, I'll see you in my office hours after school. Talk to you later. Bye.